For your comfort, the newest generation of BMW vehicles offers 3 different vehicle operating states. The vehicle switches to standby state after the front door is opened. In standby state, most functions like the media system and power windows can be operated. When you start the vehicle by pressing the brake and the start-stop button, your vehicle switches to the drive-ready state. The vehicle switches back to the standby state when the engine is stopped by pressing the start-stop button. With the following setting in the iDrive menu, the vehicle will switch to rest state only after stopping the engine, once the driver opens the front door to leave the vehicle. Go to Car, select Settings, go to Doors Vehicle Access, and select Switch Off after door opening. The vehicle will remain in standby state if somebody stays inside the vehicle pressing buttons, or if a phone call is being made with a Bluetooth-connected smartphone. Otherwise, the vehicle switches automatically to rest state after 10 minutes. To make sure that your vehicle has been turned off properly, even without locking it, hold the entertainment button until the radio stops and the control display goes black. The vehicle switches immediately to rest state if the driver locks it. In rest state, the vehicle is switched off. All electrical consumers are deactivated. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.